Why did your breast fall? Have you married? So who pushed it down? Huh? Huh?
Nature.
Oh, nature. Oh, I can't push it down. This one say, "Who? Come on, carry microphone and talk." American girl that paints her man. Sissy. You will see small boys of 15 years, 16 years. Everybody want to have a girlfriend. Oh, my babe, my babe. At the end, you see them running dry. Right. This is boys that have good destiny that will fly. But when you start eating what you're supposed to eat 5 years time, you are eating it now, it will become a burden. It can damage your kidney and liver. The same thing happened